I get asked all the time, what is the future of gun laws in the state of New York? And so I think I'm a very bad predictor of this because one of the things that has frustrated me, the Bruen decision I thought was very clear. This is dating back to June of 2023, almost 2 years ago. There was some very broad language about how sacrosanct the Second Amendment was and how difficult it was for the government to regulate firearms. And so I believed after that it would be a year or two till we had regular looking AR-15s. In other words, we got rid of assault weapon bans. And I also thought we would get rid of this 10-round magazine or standard capacity magazine ban. I thought New York would come into compliance with the Second Amendment with Bruen and ultimately act like other states, like most other states. Here we are 2 years later and not much has happened in that regard. And so for me, it's been a little frustrating. I tend to be an optimistic guy. I do believe that eventually the Supreme Court is going to speak on this and that sometime within the next 5 years, we will have normal looking AR-15s. In other words, no assault weapon ban. We will have standard capacity magazines in New York. We will have many fewer restrictions. I wouldn't say no restrictions, but many fewer restrictions on where we can carry our firearms.